Hi, in this video I will show how to use application for converting EDI files to XLS format. XLS is like old Excel format, and EDI is electronic data interchange files. It's used by many industries. I can show you how this file look like if I open it in text editor. You can see it text-based, but it has all fields and validations in it. Also, I have EDI view where I can double click on EDI file and open it into viewer, and you can see it has a table format. It has all fields named, and also I can export into different format if I want to, and or filter or if I need to find something. I will leave link this on this viewer into description. Now, to download this EDI file to XLS, I will download the application from my website, download and install it on my computer. To find this is my website. I will link on this site into description. To find the application, I'll click on search and type EDI. Then I click on Edifact page, and I need this Edifact Edi To Xls file. And then I click on download button and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. I'll be recording more videos on Edifact formats and EDI file formats, so if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, I can run this. I will show how to use this application from UI perspective, like for everyday usage, but also this application can be scheduled to run in command line if you need to have a job to convert EDI files regularly. So you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside the archive, and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So just run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this, and double click shortcut to launch app. Conversion is 3 steps process. In first step, we have to select files we'd like to convert. I can select many files, and they will appear, many EDI files, and they will appear in Excel as separate sheets. But I will click on this select button. Navigate to my EDI folders, Edifact folder, and select EDI files I'd like to convert. And click on next steps. There are no conversion options here yet, so I'll just click next. And on files tab, I'll just click run to start conversion. And it's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay, just click save. And file has been saved. Let's go and see file. I can open it. I don't have Excel installed on my computer, and for converting, you don't need any Excel on computer installed, or Office or any DLLs installed on your computer. But I don't have it installed. I can, but I have installed. I have installed Excel Mobile, which is free version of Excel, and you can see. You can see I have all data in here. So converted, and yeah, basically that's it. We have XLS file, Edifact file converted to Excel, and my file just have a couple of records. Probably your file will have more records, and will show here. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you.